Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am back with another tutorial, and today's tutorial is based on how to make a contribution to SRS account from your DBS Mobile Banking. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. All you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection, and then without any further delay, let us get started. Firstly, you'll have to log in into your mobile banking account. So you can either use a touch Face ID or DBS user ID and PIN in order to log in into your account. So then select the method that is convenient for you. After you're logged into your account, next this is what the interface is going to look like, and then you'll have to tap on Pay and Transfer, which is right at the bottom. So after that, you'll have to tap on All. After you select all, on the other page under DBS or POSB account, you'll have to select on SRS account, which is right at the bottom. After that, you'll have to select the fund source you wish to contribute, and Singapore dollar is selected as the currency, as they only accept Singapore dollar for SRS contribution. And after you're done, next what you have to do is you'll have to enter the amount that you wish to contribute, and once you're done entering the amount, you'll have to tap on Next, which is right at the bottom. On the other page, you'll have to verify all the detail of contribution, and once you're done confirming, tap on Transfer Now, which is right at the bottom. So that is how you can make a contribution to SRS account from your DBS Mobile Banking. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.